Hi, I'm trading the ES on a 2000 tick chart with the 21 EMA. So I started off, I drew my overnight highs here, overnight lows here. Um, Clearly, this is just the daily range. I started trading while we were in this range down here. Um, Clearly, we were forming resistance down there, which I was thinking maybe it was here, but I ended up leaving it here. And so this range was forming, and I was thinking that this could form the overnight low, and then it did end up going back up. And so that was how I got that. But first trade right here, I didn't have this channel at the time. We just had this uptrend break, and then first attempt higher, second attempt higher. So I was entering on the second attempt to make a new high for this uptrend. The short-term downtrend has a break, new low. So the downtrend is played out, safe to look for longs. And then we have this entry. It's an engulfing bar, which I took it as the engulfing bar, because I've been taking engulfing bar trades more often lately, which I actually have a live trade engulfing bar yesterday. But so it's a second entry long, two legs down. Uptrend is expecting a new high. The downtrend is played out with a break and a new low. So I think that's a pretty good area to take. So engulfing bar. And then here we bounce up, two-legged correction, ends up holding. Then I drew this. So clearly we have these lows, which it was a little different at first. It was like off that, and then like that at first. And so then two-legged correction bounced, held off the channel. Then we got a higher low, which held off the channel and off the EMA at the same time. You know, clearly rushed up, pulled back, so I think it looks pretty good. Um, very, very nice entry. And then I did adjust the channel like this as it kept forming. But, so then here we have a couple legs up. We don't get any good corrections to the EMA. We obviously can't go short because we're in this big uptrend, so we would only be looking for longs. Um, then we have a couple legs back, but then we push through the channel, and then now at this point we have uptrend, break, first attempt higher, second attempt higher. And the reason I have this marked here is because I was looking for an entry here. Um, so basically, if an uptrend has a break, you can expect it to make a new high, but oftentimes it'll have two attempts at a new high and then fail. So I was thinking, okay, so this would be the second attempt at a new high. You can expect it to fail, except it did close above the EMA. So I was thinking, okay, well, it might run up and make a new high, so I didn't want to take that. And then I didn't want to take this again, closing back above. Also it's just a first entry. There's just no setup there. Um, but anyway, so we start to head down. I draw this downtrend. We overshoot. We go into this thinner downtrend. Finally get a good correction to the EMA again. Um, you get this skinny correction, break, new high. So this short-term uptrend is played out, but there's no entry. It's just big doji looking bar. Um, Back above the EMA. We start to go into this range right here. We break out, pull back. I don't see a good entry there. That's just one single leg down, and I'm not going to take the breakout pullback alone. So here we have new high, then we have first entry long, second entry long, and then I took a loss right here. So um, basically it was a breakout pullback of this range, two legs down, um, and it closed out of the short-term trend line. So that's what I was thinking basically, and then it lost, and then I immediately re-entered basically the same trade, just one extra push down, and and then I won. So basically just break even right here. So I lost two and three quarters, and then I made back two and three quarters. So yes. Um. Anyway, so that pushes us up. We go into this uptrend right here. We have a break, two legs to a new high, and then we reverse back down, which that is classic because it's so often that you see uptrend.
Connection lost.
Oh, I don't know if y'all heard that, but I just got connection lost, and then it just regained connection immediately after. I don't know if y'all heard that, but okay. But anyway, the uptrend plays out with a break, two legs to a new high, then it rushes below and holds onto the EMA, then reverses back down. So yeah. So about this loss, uh, I guess what could be said is wrong with it is that we have a reset and then it's just a first entry. But I mean, I'm not going to actually say that that's the reason it lost. I mean, it's 2 legs down. Clearly, this short-term downtrend played out with a break and a new low. I guess here you get a second attempt, and you do often get a second attempt. And we didn't have much momentum going up, so maybe I should have waited on a second attempt at a new low. So yeah, it's definitely a better entry, this second trade, but I still don't think this is that bad of a trade, to take. But it's not as perfect as this one on the right. So anyway, so that's the day. Um, I got these 3 winners, 1 loser. Um, so yeah, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So yeah, I would have. Oh wow, yeah. So I have 10 points in winners, and then 2.75 points in loss. So yeah, that should. Yeah. All right, nice. So that's a pretty good amount. Um, anyway, so I guess that's it for the day. Have a good day.